Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? As some of you might know, I judged a nail art competition last September 21, 2018. If you haven't seen my vlog about it, the link is available on the description box below. Okay, so for today's video, I'll be sharing to you what's inside the Chic Centre bag that was given to us on that day. So first we have is this Cutex Terry Feet Callus Remover. Then two Cutex Carry Nail Polish Remover. Then we have Bobby Nails' Extreme Gloss Gel Top Coat. And this is the top coat that I use for all of my nail art designs. Next we have is a matte top coat by Bobby Nails. Then here's Wonder from Chic Nail Colors Boho Chic Collection. And next is another polish from Chic Nail Colors Boho Chic Collection, and it's Bohemian. And this is Drip Setter, which is from their Boho Chic Collection as well. And lastly, a Caviar Nail Beads from Bobby, and this is from their Royal Caviar Pearl Collection, and it's called Majestic Queen. And that's all the products that were inside the bag. If you enjoyed today's video, never forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, and kindly share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!